Hello, I am back from holiday. Thinking I'm just going to do a small little panel. I've got some new dies. I've got a new smaller die and a new wheel on the bottom. Just going to see how they go, test it out. I might make this one as nice as I can make it for someone on YouTube or on Facebook. Comment and subscribe and like, and I might just pick someone at random and I'll send it to them, and you can do what you like with it. Hang it, use it as art, put it on your car, do whatever you want to do. So let's get going. Right guys, I'm going to leave it there. I'm glad to be back from holiday. It's the first panel I've made since I've been back. Just wetting my whistle before the next video comes out. We're going to make a set of headlight buckets for the Pontiac, the burnout car. We're going to shape them into the guard, basically like French lights, but instead of just using the standard lights, we have some LED lights to put in there that basically the headlight bucket's going to be moulded around. They're going to be removable. Should look pretty cool. We'll see how they end up. But for now, I've finished that. I'm going to sand up the edges a little bit more, get rid of some of these shrink lines. I'm going to polish up the diamonds, and I'm going to give that away to somebody at the end of the next video. So like and subscribe, leave a comment, as many comments as we can get, share it around. I want to give this away to anyone in the world. Don't care where you are, I'll send it to you, and I'll announce that at the end of the next video when I finish making the headlight buckets. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time. Have a good night.